What's up, guys? Joey here, back at it again. Hope you all having a good day. Hope y'all had a good Monday. So let's start with that open range. Just for anyone who's wondering, the shadow area. I'm gonna zoom in a minute, but the shadow area is just a big supply zone that I drew over the weekend. So let's start with the open range. We had an open range sitting at 18,050 flat. We had an open range slow at sitting at 17,990. Excuse me. For anyone wondering what this line right here is, it's actually our pre-market lows where we bounced off not once, not twice, but three different times. And it actually ended up acting as a valid support not once, but twice. And this is actually where I got into the trade. I'm going to break that down real quick. I only made $95. At one point, I was up like $140. And when I went to go take profits, I just got filled at a shitty price. And I ended up taking $95 profit. So I couldn't really complain. You know, green is green at the end of the day. Now I'm up $764.42. Still working towards that 3K goal to get that 50K funded account through Top Step. So yeah, so market open at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time, had a nice push, strong rejection, bounced off the EMA, hit a lower high. Honestly, because this was before 9:45, I really saw this good setup right here, especially because we were not making any higher highs past 32. So I was really wanting to go short, but I always stick to that one rule of waiting for the first 15 minutes, just so that way I don't get any caught in any fake out breakouts, fake out, breakdowns, whatever it may be. But saw this beautiful pullback, bounce off that open range. That pre-market low, and then right when we tested that pre-market low, I waited to see if we were going to hit a lower high at the EMA or the moving average. Honestly, the fact that we did the moving average, I really wasn't surprised. When I saw that we were getting rejected at this moving average on the 1 minute time frame, let me just zoom in real quick for you guys to see. So right when we bounced off right here and we hit a lower high at the moving average and showed rejection, I had multiple steps of confirmation. I had a lower high, rejection at the moving average, and then I was like, screw it. And then on top of that, we were also breaking below the open range support, and I went short at around 998, 999, and I got filled right when we started to. I noticed that we weren't getting enough selling momentum, if that makes sense. I really didn't see a lot of the selling pressure that I wanted. I wanted to see something more like this right here, the strong push down. And, even right here, as you guys can see, we had a strong break below the EMA, even the moving average right here. So I was waiting to see a little bit of more selling momentum, but we just never got it. So I got out. Like I said, I was, up $140 at the absolute most. But when I went to go take profits, it covered me at 95. So I was a little annoyed, I ain't gonna lie, but it is what it is. I'm still thankful and grateful for it. Definitely a step closer to getting that funded account. We didn't really make any lower lows for the next 20 minutes. We actually started to recover, as you can see, bounced off that pre-market low, treated it as another valid support, and then we started to make a nice recovery. But yeah, that was just my trade on the day, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like and subscribe button. It's always much appreciated. If you guys got any questions, comment below. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hope you guys have a good day.